I tell you what, after all these years in the trade, we're always looking for shortcuts, but I think we're doing ourselves a disservice. So, for example, I know that to get a really good finished product, you got to sand between coats.
100%.
Yeah. So why don't people do that?
Time, generally,
okay.
but just it's not like you're sanding through the previous coat.
Yep.
It's just a real light sand. You just any sort of any denib any bits, any drips you might not have noticed.
Yep.
You can just remove those before you go over the top. The other thing as well that's really common for interior repaints is picture framing, where somebody will cut in around the outside of the room once or twice, let it dry, and then decide to roll out the middle. Try and keep a wet edge. So if it means you're doing it by yourself, you just cut in like along this line and then
roll it.
And then cut in the top and then move along. Like, don't just cut in everything. Have a cup of tea and then go to the next step.